वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट करता है टू म्यूचुअली डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स। If the graph is plotted between velocity and time, then such a graph is called velocity time graph. Shape of the graph represents the nature of acceleration. Slope of velocity time graph represents the acceleration of the body. If the slope is increasing, it means the acceleration of the body is increasing. If the slope of the body is decreasing, it means the acceleration of the body is decreasing. If the slope is constant, it shows that velocity of the acceleration of the body is constant. Zero acceleration. When the velocity of body is constant, then the velocity time graph is a horizontal or straight line, as shown in figure. Distance covered by the body, it is represented by area of rectangle. Length multiplied by width. It is the graph of zero acceleration or body moving with constant velocity. Uniform acceleration graph. When a body moves with constant acceleration, the velocity time graph is a straight line which arises the same height for equal intervals of time. Distance covered by the body. Area under the curve represents the distance covered by the body. In this case, here is a line, and area under this line represents the distance covered by the body. We know that area of triangle is 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. V multiplied by T 1 by 2. The magnitude of its average velocity is initially it is 0, and after time t it is v, then the average velocity is v by 2. Then distance covered by the body is 1 by 2 v multiplied by t. Variable acceleration graph. When a body moves with non-uniform increasing velocity with variable acceleration, then the velocity time graph is a curve. It is a graph of a body moving with variable acceleration. The slope of the graph determines the average acceleration. The greater the slope, greater is the acceleration. A is equal to delta v by delta t is equal to tan theta is equal to the slope of the graph. Conclusions of velocity time graph. Slope of velocity time graph is equal to the average acceleration, and area under the velocity time graph is equal to the distance covered by the body.